healthy dessert. Is there actually something called healthy dessert? Does that concept even exist? Are healthy desserts a myth or a reality? Let's talk about healthy desserts today. Yes, healthy desserts are a reality, and you definitely can have desserts in moderation by making them healthy and not really indulge in mindless eating in terms of desserts. Now, most of us do go through those times when you really want to have a dessert, and it's absolutely normal to feel that way. So today we're going to talk about some of the healthy desserts and how you can make your desserts healthier with some healthy options. So now let's look at some exchange. Let's look at swapping your unhealthy things with your healthy things. So for example, changing your refined sugar to jaggery or to dates or to figs or even raisins at times. Making sure that you're having milk-based desserts, because when you have milk-based desserts, you at least get the protein. If you add some nuts in it, you get your healthy fats to it. If you're eating, if you're adding rice, let's say if you're making a kheer, so it's a good combination. And then you add jaggery or dates, for the sweetness. But moderation is still the key. Just because it has healthy ingredients does not mean that you go overboard, but it is much healthier than eating let's say something which doesn't have any nutritional value. I wouldn't want to name a dessert here, but we need to be mindful. And of course, a big no is to your donuts, because or the likes, because they don't have any nutritional value and they're totally processed and refined. Now, it is important that you indulge in your craving once in a while, because if you totally deprive yourself while you're on a diet or while you're following a particular regime, the moment you get back and you start eating, the weight also comes back. And which is why I always tell all my clients that while we're on a weight loss journey, once in a while to give into your indulgence when it's an occasion or when you really feel like it, make it healthy and enjoy your indulgence. Number 2, let's look at some of the healthy ideas. So for example, doing a oats and a banana cake. So exchanging your all-purpose flour or the wheat flour to an oats flour or a ragi flour, which is much healthier, and sweetening it with bananas and dates makes for a healthy dessert. So you could have your oats and banana cake. You could have frozen bananas like an ice candy. So take a ripe banana, freeze it for about 24 hours. When you take it out, the texture changes and it tastes very nice. You can add some grated coconut on that and some dark chocolate sauce, and your candy is ready. Just a plain bowl of fruit does wonders. So for example, a bowl of mango or a bowl of berries can really satisfy your sweet cravings, or can give you that satisfaction of indulging in a dessert. There could also be times when you want to have some creamy stuff. So now reach out to a good creamy yogurt and add, let's say, a fresh homemade mango pulp or some mango pieces or some strawberries or any fruit of your choice. Add some nuts to it for that crunchy taste, and that makes it for a healthy dessert as well. So if you understand it, more than training your mouth, it's training your brain. It's all here. The craving occurs here. So if you train yourself and if you plan ahead, you will never fall prey to wrong indulgence. You will never end up eating wrong stuff. Next is, understanding that we've always been at that place where we've given into wrong cravings, and later we've regretted. Now onwards, let's not really regret, but let's plan. So for example, to be able to not give in to these cravings, you must have a wholesome breakfast. Now when I say a wholesome breakfast, it means you should have carbs, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, so that your sugar levels will be stable throughout the day. and you will not have hunger pangs, and you will not have sugar cravings. So that's a very, very important tip. Make sure that you're having a wholesome breakfast. Use sugar spices, very, very important. So for example, put some sprinkle some cinnamon powder on your food, because one, it stabilizes your blood sugar levels. Two, it has a very nice sweetish taste, so your sweet cravings are also taken care of, and you don't have hunger pangs because of this spice quality. Number 3 is distract yourself. So sometimes, but just because you're sitting idle, you could be craving for sweets, or you're feeling low, so you could be feeling a craving for sweet. So make sure that go ahead and listen to some music, go for a walk, or read a book, whatever you enjoy. Distract yourself. And last but not the least, indulge in sweet very, very smartly. Yeah, I hope you like this video. If you have any more recipes that are a healthy dessert, please share them in the comment section so that everybody can see. Any more questions, put them in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll talk again. Bye-bye.